This is Riley showing Piper how to roll in the grass. Roll back, Riley. Piper, what do you think about your brother rolling in the grass like that? I see she finally rolls onto the grass. There he goes, still rolling. Riley, roll back to us. Roll back to us. No, come here. That was some good rolling.
I'm tired now.
Are you? Too bad they don't have that as an Olympic sport, huh?
What?
Rolling in the grass.
Rolling? Because I'll win everybody. I'll show them how to keep going and get to the win.
That might be cheating.
Cheating?
I don't think you're allowed to stop people in half in the Olympics to win.
Yeah.
No.
I said that have not. I don't want.
There he goes again. Piper, what do you think about Riley rolling? Are you going to do it? You're going to roll? Oh, that grass. So hard to get past the texture. He's trying to not eat his dinner and play on the playground. So he thinks by rolling there, he can get away with it.